Alliance Laundry Systems provide a laundry solution to all segments of the market: manufacturing, pharmaceutical, healthcare, coin-operated laundry, and definitely to the hospitality segment. The hospitality segment is definitely one of the market that we want to focus on this year, and that is the reason why we are at THAIFEX HOREC Asia. THAIFEX HOREC Asia is a crucial event for us to attend, to both showcase our presence in the market as well as our laundry solutions. The event allows us to engage industry partners, to make new connections with customers, as well as to strengthen existing ones. THAIFEX HOREC Asia is definitely a place for HORECA businesses to look for innovative ideas, suppliers, as well as new partners.